Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I am Chef Suraj. Today I am going to show how to make white chocolate crème de pot. For making white chocolate crème de pot, we need white chocolate, cream, sugar, vanilla essence and egg yolk. Now let's make. For making white chocolate crème de pot, first we pour cream, and sugar, mix it till lukewarm. We don't need to boil the cream, we need to just warm it. After warm, add white chocolate and mix well. Mix until the chocolate is melt in the cream. Now chocolate is melt, add egg yolk and mix. And last add vanilla essence. Now mixer is ready. I am going to strain and pour it in glass jar or ceramic bowls. After straining, I am going to pour mixer ceramic bowl and glass jar. We need to bake it 160 degrees centigrade for 13 to 35 minutes. After baking and chilling, our white chocolate crème de pot is ready to eat.